Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create simple line chart in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. To create simple line chart, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here the entire data. Then go to the insert tab. In charts group here, click on the line charts option and here you can see the different types of line chart is available. To create the simple line chart, just click on the first 2D line in first charts and here you can see the simple line chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. If you want to increase the size of the chart, you just drag the corner point and you can see the size of the chart is increases. You can see in vertical showing the total price, in horizontal showing the product list. Okay. If you want to change the chart style, simply click on the chart and go to the chart design. In chart style, just click on this drop down arrow and you can see here the different type of style available. When you keep cursor on it, see the preview of the chart style is showing here and just take the preview and just click on it to create simple line chart. Okay, just I click on this and here you can see the chart style is changed. Okay, now if you want to change the layout, simply click on the chart, go to the chart design. In chart layout group, click on the quick layout option. And you can see the different layout option is available. Just keep cursor and see the preview of layout in the simple line chart. See the preview is showing of the charts. Select the chart those you want. So I select the layout of the chart, this one, and see the changes in layout. Okay. And if you want to change the chart title, simply click on it and you can edit here. Use the backspace and delete key to delete this chart title. And you can enter here new one. So I just enter here the sales data. If you want to color this chart title, simply click on the right click on the chart title and click on the font. In font dialog box, you can change the font style. Just click on the arrow and select the font style those you want. So I select here the bold. Then size, you can increase the up arrow and decrease with the down arrow. Okay. So I increase here the size of the chart title and you can change here the font color also. So I just click on this arrow. I select here the different color underline style. You can just click on this drop down arrow and select the underline style. Underline color, just click on this drop down arrow and here I choose the different color to underline color. Okay, after that just click on OK and that's it. Here you can see your chart title is showing the different way. Okay, so this is the way you can create a simple line chart in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.